OAP300 configuration tutorial. Prepare your OAP300, 2 network cables, and your router. Connect the AP's PoE port to the power adapter's PoE port using an Ethernet cable. Connect the adapter's LAN port to the router's LAN port using another Ethernet cable. Plug in the PoE power adapter. You can start to configure after the Wi-Fi LED lights up. Basic configuration. Connect your computer to your AP's Wi-Fi. Open the browser and enter netis.cc or 192.168.1.1. Log into the AP's web interface, setting the SSID name and password as prompted. Reconnect the Wi-Fi signal and enter the password you've set. Go to the Network tab. Click Operation Mode. OAP300 supports 4 working modes. Select Access Point Mode and click Save. Give it a minute to reboot and reload its configuration. Then reconnect the Wi-Fi signal and refresh the web page. Now OAP300 is working on AP mode. VLAN settings. Go to the home page, click VLAN. Enable VLAN. Enter VLAN ID and click Save. Advanced settings. 𝐒𝐿. Go to the Application tab. Click 𝐒𝐿. Set limits for upload and download speeds. Parental control. Go to the Application tab. Click Parental control. Filter content and limit access according to your needs. More functions are waiting for you to explore.